There's 4 key problems that we're able to tackle. The first one being innovation. So this is at the first stage of the product lifecycle. It's the ideation phase. It's where a customer may come to us and say, I need to be innovative, but I don't know what it is that I need to make. I don't have the in-house expertise to actually make that, and I need your help. They may need or want an innovative technology that they don't have in-house. A lot of them we heard say, we want to be the first, we want to be the best, we want to be the smallest, we just don't know how to get there. So that's when our team comes in. So how 3DO uniquely solves these problems in the ideation phase is we're able to facilitate very rapid iterations to help our customers simulate and test their first articles to make sure the ideas are working not only on paper, but in real time. We also use the same machines as our first articles as scale-ups. We have a unique technology that allows us to really tweak to do what we need to do on the design side to make sure that we're helping someone come up with an idea that is unique to them, that is designed in no other way that can be designed, or really manufactured in another method other than 3D printing. We have the ability to open new solution spaces with our technical capabilities. So we know in the very beginning stages when we're helping on a design, we already have those ideas in mind on where we can competitively progress our customers into going to market with a very premium product. We're making sure that we have scale in mind from the very beginning stages of innovation and basically imagining what this product or component can do. We also have the willingness to broaden our scope beyond just the part to the full assembly so that we can work in the very beginning stages with our customers to figure out what it is and their end goal that they're trying to achieve, whether it's a next generation product or a brand new product, so that we're able to really, from a partnership standpoint, understand the full assembly and the full product and really help to reach those goals from an innovation and design standpoint. And then, once we're able to prove those concepts, we're able to help them seamlessly transition from the idea stage into the component function stage, and they haven't had to switch technologies, materials, or anything along the way.